Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo AIP. Today we're going to look at how to set up a work schedule in case you need to forward calls outside of a specific time to another destination. First, we need to check whether the PBX is set to the correct time, since this is one of the most essential aspects. We can do this right here on the dashboard under System Time. When we hover over it, it shows that the time is 11:19, confirming that the PBX is set to the correct time. After checking the time, go to System Settings, then Time Settings. If the time is incorrect, you can make adjustments here to correct it. You can disable these options so that neither the time zone nor the NTP server changes. Additionally, you can adjust the time zone according to your location. Once the necessary corrections have been made, we go to Office Time and create a schedule. Let's assume that business hours are Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., and let's create another one for Saturday, where we'll set the hours from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now that the schedule is created, we need to define it in the inbound route so it applies to incoming calls. Go to Trunk Extension Inbound Routes, edit the rule for your line, scroll all the way down, and there you'll find a button labeled Time Condition. By default, calls will be routed to this extension, so in the time condition, we'll set it up so that when it's outside of business hours, we can forward the call to a recorded message we've set up. Here we can set it up as an IVR, and in a moment we'll see how to create the off-hours message. We'll set the route to another extension, let's say the security guards, so when a call comes in, if it's during business hours, it will go to this extension, if it's during off hours, it will go to the security guards extension. To create the after-hours message, we'll go to Basic Call Features, IVR, click the Add button, enter a name, we'll leave the extension number as the default, and here we can upload an audio file. The format must be 8000 Hz, 16-bit, monochannel, and WAV format. We'll upload the audio here, and here you need to uncheck this option so the caller cannot select any options. You can also leave these options set to 1, ensuring the audio doesn't repeat more than once. There won't be any further configuration, we just want the audio to mention that it's outside business hours, etc. Finally, we'll assign the audio clip as outside business hours. We'll go here, navigate to the incoming call rule, and under time condition, select out of the office and assign that IVR to it. We'll click Save and Apply. As you can see here, the rule is now applied. If the call comes in outside business hours, it will be routed to the IVR, specifically, to the recording, where it states that the office is no longer open. Up here, I'll show you how to create that audio using a program called Audacity. That's all for this video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.